Hello everybody, and as per popular request, I am going to show you how I do my Gauss grip. This one's actually a little bit longer and I missed a little part, so get over yourselves, who cares. So this is for my 195, and we're going to go ahead and get it started. So just to show you a little bit, if you can see right there, I kind of do a little bit of half of the regular hockey tape over right here, loop it about 10 times to kind of create a little bit of a bulge right there, bulge, and then of course I go down just one full strip all the way down, and then we take this is Andover, the Gauss tape. It's called Power Flex by Andover, and we're gonna go a once and then a twice, and a once and a twice. So first, the thing about this is it doesn't stick to anything except itself, so you need to kind of loop it over so it finally does stick, and then off you go. For the first one, I like to kind of try to get it flexed out nice and stretched so it kind of seals a good grip around it. And on the second one, I like to go a little bit looser to just create a nice comfortable barrier. And as you see, it's taken pretty nice shape, covering up. And now some pros do usually just go this and then they're done, but because I have to pay for my pumps to get redone, I'd rather not. And so we're gonna go here, or as my son likes to call it, here, and then once, and now we go all the way back up. Once you start to see the white tape kind of disappear, that's when you're doing it correctly, if you want the same results that I do. And see how I created a little bulge right there? That's kind of the stopper for my palm. Once you squeeze it over, it's going to compress together, and then you're going to be good to go. And almost there. Here's where it's a little bit tricky because it's going to try to overlap, and there you go. Now the last part, I'm going to go with a little snip snip, and see what I mean? Now you have to stretch it all the way out and get it gripped nice and in, and squeeze, and congratulations, you've got your tape. Now for the next part, we are going to do one part over here to kind of seal it off so it doesn't come up. So we just take this. Now don't worry about your stick getting too heavy, because it's not. And if it's really that troublesome for you, stop playing hockey. And you're done. Good to go. And the last part that we do, we're going to take a Sharpie . We're going to go ahead and write my number on the front, which is number 21, and on the side I write my son's name, my fiance's initials because her name is too long, And on the back, we write Daisy. There you have it, folks. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.